Welcome to our channel 1 lakh to 1 crore. So in our channel we'll be sharing the index levels and the intraday stocks every day for you to help with the trade setup for tomorrow's trading session. So I hope you find our videos useful. If so, please give a like to our video and please do subscribe to our channel. So this video is about the intraday stocks and the levels for those stocks to watch for the Monday's trade setup. So we do not focus on multiple stocks. Instead, we focus more on few stocks. So we find some useful setups for the Monday's trade, and we are sharing the same. Please use these levels in order to trade in your intraday. The first stock in our radar is the ITC. So if you look at the ITC 15-minute chart, you can clearly see a trend being formed here around 170 levels. So if on Monday, if you find ITC towards 170 to 171 levels, buy the stock for an intraday trade setup, and the first target for the stock will be 172, so which is a 1% gain in your stocks. For the intraday setup, please make sure you at least trail your SLs and try to take a minimum of 1% from your trade. So on the upside, buy towards 170 levels for a target of 172, and if it breaks 172, we can see 174 in the ITC. So on the downside, if ITC breaks 170, go for a short trade for a targets of 168 and 166. So if only ITC breaks 170, go for a short trade, else continue holding your long position towards 174. This is our first stock. Now let us look at other trade setups. So the next one is HCL Tech. So if you look at the HCL Tech stock setup, so from last 2 days the stock has been consolidating around 810 to 820 levels. So on Monday, if you see a breakout above 820 levels, so this is our first level, okay, which is 820, and on the bottom side 808. So if HCL Tech breaks 820 on the upside, go for a long on HCL Tech for a targets of 828 intraday, and you can see 840 in the positional setup. So on the downside, if HCL Tech breaks 808, go for short for the targets of 803 and 791. So keep proper SL. Your SL should be, if there is a breakout above 820, keep an SL around 818, which is below 820 levels. And the next stock in our radar is Maruti. So let us look at the Maruti chart. So if you look at Maruti setup, this is an interesting one. So let us look at the levels of Maruti. Look at this particular level, 6,780 to 6,775. So this level was being acted as a resistance on 29th as well as on 30th. Then Maruti gave a gap up opening on 1st. So then it rallied towards 6,900, and now stock is back to 6,800 levels. So on Monday's trade, if you find Maruti above this particular level, go for a long trade with a targets of 6,870. And if Maruti breaks this particular level 6,770, then go for a short trade towards 6,670. So all these setups are intraday. Sometimes the targets may not hit, or sometimes you may even get more than what we have specified. So please do trail your SL and always have an SL in place in your system. So let us look at the next chart, which is HDFC. So if you look at HDFC on 1st of October, you can see a flag and pole pattern in HDFC. This is a pole, and this is a flag. So if you know technical analysis, then this is a very good bullish pattern in charts. So above 1800, we can see a rally in HDFC stock. And flag and pole is a bullish pattern, so I prefer avoiding short positions in HDFC, even though you see a breakdown. Whereas you can go long above 1800 levels for a 1% target towards 1820. So I hope these levels are useful to you. Focus more on specific stocks instead of running on all the stocks. If you find any breakout or breakdown in these particular stocks, go for a trade. Do not try to catch every trade setup. That is really bad in trading, and we recommend you to keep your intraday charts or stocks in a limited way, like how we kept these 4 particular stocks for Monday's trade setup. I hope these videos are useful to you, friends. If yes, please give a like, and please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and other traders. Thank you.